Hello everyone, hope you're having a beautiful day. So I wanted to talk about my new program. I am not crying, I just put eardrops in. And we're going to be working on signs. This is a 3-day, I'm calling it a workshop. It's a program. It's $100, so there is no deposit. You have to pay the $100. There's 11 spots, actually, well, there are 10 spots left, but there are 11 altogether. We're going to work over Zoom. And so what are signs? What are symbols? I'm going to just read you a little bit about how we're structuring this class. It's 2 hours on a Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, so that's the 12th, 13th, and 14th. Someone in my membership group requested a program, and so I just kind of tuned into her and the potential people that would be coming in along the lines of where I am. One of the things that I just had happen to me is I went on to TikTok. There was someone doing quick little card pulls. What are the chances? She opened it up for 6 minutes, and she said, as soon as she connected to me, she said, you are connecting to like your intuition. And she said, I don't think you know like where you're getting this energy from. And then she's like, no, actually, you do know where you're getting this energy from. So you know what's going on. You are basically tapped in, which is interesting because I'm thinking, that's actually what I'm working on teaching other people. So I told her that. I said, I'm just about to teach an intuitive workshop. So I just wanted to share that with you, even as a confirmation, right? As a sign that I am teaching this class, teaching signs. And then there was a sign confirming, yep, you know what, you do know what you're talking about. This is a good class. And again, we are always in a state of learning how to trust. But I'm also getting that forgiveness is also going to be a part of this class. And if you do join my membership group VIP, there is a forgiveness program in there. If you are feeling connected to that as well, I'm feeling like this might be also helpful for you. Or if you're already a member, maybe watch that forgiveness program before you come into this class as well. The other thing we're going to be doing is on Tuesday night, we're going to start introducing a little bit more of our dreams and how to interpret our dreams, but we're also going to go into the clairs. So what are the clairs? You could be clairvoyant, meaning clear seeing, all your clear senses. So what we want to do essentially is be able to go deeper into connecting to essentially ourselves, our higher self, which is our intuition, and finding ways to do that, because often we need clarity and we don't understand how to get that. And then again, as I was just saying to you, even myself, I still need confirmation. I know things, but sometimes I need someone else to tell me like exactly what it is that I need to hear without me telling them that. So that's why readings are really great. So one of the things I wrote down is what is tuning in, like what is tapping in, what is connection, essentially, right? What is it? How do we do it? What does it all mean? That's what we're going to be talking about. And again, how do we go about doing that? What are some ways that will improve our psychological? What are some ways that can help us spiritually? And of course, our mental health will improve as a result of this as well. So if you are struggling with any type of mental health issue, which I think right now during like everything that's been going on, even just with this energy, there are a lot of people who are emotionally feeling like they're on this roller coaster, and it's just because we're going through a lot of changes. So I always trust that the programs that I connect to are exactly on the dates that they're supposed to be on, based around that. Like those cycles. We're coming out of Mercury retrograde on the 15th. This program is the 12th, the 13th, and the 14th. And then we have a new moon, like I think it's like the 16th or anyway, I'll have to tune into that as well, but it's all like coming into that new cycle. So it'll be really nice as we're coming out of that, we go into the shadow side of Mercury retrograde. It'll be a perfect time to go deeper into that dream analysis. So that's one of the components that we're going to be working on. And because the reason why dreams are great is because they can help us with all of those clairs. They can help us with understanding what we have going on unconsciously to help us solve problems. But again, we really work through images and how to interpret those signs and again those symbols. So then also the following evening we're going to be working with journaling. So we're going to be using writing as a tool, using that creativity and inspiration. And then we're also going to be doing some reflection work. So this might look like connecting to our chakras, meditations, clearing out our chakras and our channels. I might be doing an attunement on some people if if I decide to do that. And then we're also going to be really going into like more question answer. So, and you're going to get support and coaching and feedback that way as well. Do not be intimidated. The whole point is when we come together in a group circle, I don't know how many people are going to actually be in the group. It's a go regardless. That's how I work. I always have like one person that wants this program, and then whoever else hops in. It's just an opportunity. I price it accordingly because it is going to be recorded for my members as well. So it's just like a little opportunity that you guys have. But the clarity in particular is what's going to make you guys feel better when you take this program, because as we're talking about confirmation and just it's how we're observing things. So the key component here is we want to feel like we can observe energy versus feeling it. So if you're a strong empath and you struggle, again, even emotionally with like triggers and trauma and stuff like that, again, this is going to be a perfect program for you, because we want to learn how to work through some of these vicious cycles that we're on as well. So when we go in and ask questions like, what is it that I need to know? Can you show me a sign? Can you show me a symbol? That sort of thing. And then we'll say like we get a star or a triangle. I talked about this in my TikTok reading yesterday. It's interesting just as I do that, right? And so drawing is another great way. So we might play a little bit with drawing too. Anyway, I'm seeing like a starfish, okay? And then kind of like a sand dollar. So I have a connection to that. I'm actually getting marketing tools and strategies for myself. And so I'm not going to go into too much depth of how I got that information, because this is what, of course, we're going to learn. But we're gonna go into more of like the step-by-step process. And so we're really going to learn how to slow down, reconnect, and how it can work with your own lifestyle. All right, guys, I hope you have a beautiful day. So the way that you sign up is horsemanreadings.com. You're going to go to book online. You're going to see all of my like little service options, my phone readings, half an hour, 1 hour, Zoom, that sort of thing. Also, if you want to get an email reading through a video, that's completely an option as well. Just write that in, and when you pick phone, just put email instead. Make sure you send me your email. But what you're also going to see now is like you'll see a course as well. And so that's what you're going to click. The link will be in the information through my link tree, or if you're seeing this on Facebook or wherever, you can all get that through my site. You have to sign up through my site. I'm not doing it any other way. Everybody will get the link. Everybody will have that one. And that's going to be the same link for all 3 nights. All right. If you have any questions in relation to this specifically, don't hesitate. horsemanreadings@gmail.com is the best way to contact me. And feel free to share this out with others if you feel like it will benefit them. I literally think that 90% of the people right now in the world need this program. So it's a really, really, really great one. And I would recommend not missing it. All right, love you guys and take care. Bye for now and namaste.